Freelancing versus traditional jobs is a topic that many consider when planning their careers. Let's dive into the key aspects of each to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about income potential. Freelancers often have the ability to set their rates, which can lead to higher earnings if they build a strong client base. However, traditional jobs typically offer a steady paycheck and benefits like bonuses and raises. Next, job security. Traditional jobs usually provide more stability, while freelancing can be unpredictable depending on client demand. Now let's discuss freedom. Freelancers enjoy the flexibility to choose their projects and work hours, while traditional jobs often come with set schedules and responsibilities. When it comes to growth, traditional jobs may offer clearer career paths and training opportunities, whereas freelancers must actively seek out their own development. Skills are essential in both realms. Freelancers need to be adaptable and continuously learn, while traditional employees may have access to structured training programs. Stress levels can vary. Freelancers face the pressure of finding clients, while traditional jobs can involve office politics and deadlines. Benefits are another significant factor. Traditional jobs often provide health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, while freelancers must manage their own benefits. Work-life balance can be better for freelancers, as they can create their own schedules, but it can also blur the lines between work and personal life. Lastly, consider long-term stability. Traditional jobs may offer more security, while freelancing can lead to uncertainty. In conclusion, weigh the pros and cons of each option carefully. Consider your personal goals, lifestyle preferences, and financial needs. Whether you choose freelancing or a traditional job, ensure it aligns with your vision for your future.